Breeding season of double-headed Amazon 2023.
Female laid 4 eggs in 12 days in 10 of March. 3 were fertile, and 1 was infertile.
So I placed them in incubator for hatching.
3/3 hatched successfully. Now chick 6 days old.
15 days old and growing well.
And now 22 days old.
29 days old and 1 sold out.
60 days old and fully covered. 75 days old. Now it's time to start training flying tame talking act. It's time to shift in aviary. Now we are about to self one-time hand feeding. Thank you friends for watching our video. For more interesting videos visit our YouTube channel. Adil CH Aviary.